this analogy of clearing a cupboard. This is uh, the right way for us to understand how we will use our make our statements of choice and acknowledgement in the beginning. And that is why I think I mentioned to you that I wanted to ask you as to what word is that you did for clearing your cupboard, and then was only wanting to say do the same for clearing your head, but then there only it became like this. So I can't even ask you to apply it here till you get used to it. So, but that example, now that you have been doing it for so long, I'm sure you will appreciate this. What do we have to do first to clear the cupboard? We first have to remove, see everything. Okay, this is it. So when we are making the acknowledgement statement initially, we are saying that yes, you have removed this, and then this is what you've seen. So all those statements you can make here. At the karate chop, you can make 10 or 15 statements if necessary. Means they are like the way you were sorting out the various things that you have taken out, है ना. एक बल्क पूरा निकाला, उस समय उसका एक नाम था, फिर वो उसको पार्ट्स का एक अलग अलग नाम हो गया. तो ईच ऑफ देम कैन बी स्टेटेड हियर, एंड इन दैट it is possible for all of them you are feeling the same way. So whatever that negative feeling is कि ये भी कोई काम का नहीं है, इतने समय से यूज नहीं किया है, I feel I'm wasting but I'm not sure, ये भी आता है ना question. All those things are to be said on the points, and if it is one common negative thought, then that feeling or that action can I'm getting confused, I don't know what to do, I feel like just putting it back like that only, even all that. So all those are the things on the points. And after that, when you are making the choice statement, when that is over and you're making the choice statement, now first and foremost the choice statement has to be, उसको निकाल के उसको साफ वाफ करना ना, तो free from. So because see, materials, things also have their energy, and that energy also kind of attracts them back maybe. So clean it up, ऐसे तुम्हारे को डस्ट नहीं है लगेगा, but you need to wipe it off, or lay a new cloth or a paper, or use some whatever spray for, तो उसको अच्छे से clean करना है. So all the acts of cleaning, when they are done, all those acts of cleaning for the mind, we are making as the statements over here. Generally it can be a simple one, free from. Free from is what works very well. And then when you have put everything back, when you put back, there is space created. Even if you put back everything after cleaning, you will find it is more having space. It breathes. And if there is an empty space, and if you leave it like that only, our ways is such that at some time when you're looking for some place to keep something, you will end up dumping it there. Why? Yeah, है ना? And so what have we done? We have created and therefore it is very important to make a useful, positive, concrete choice which you definitely know you want to keep over there. And therefore choice may, so one way is to choose the opposite. Like the other day we did the exercise for anger, we wanted love, correct? So we have removed anger, we replace it with love. But it may not always be love. It may be just amicable relationship of being able to, maintain a distance. So it is not always the one fixed thing कि अभी जगह है तो वहाँ पर गुलदस्ता ही रखना है. ऐसा नहीं होता है, right? And also by putting a new thing over there, changes the energy of the place, changes the energy in your mind too, refreshes it. So the choices have to be of that kind. And in that, if we are able to add, I listen to my higher self, कि उस समय समझ नहीं आ रहा था, यही समझ में आया, तो I've replaced it with this. Or it is possible you cannot think of what to put over there here just now, because in your mind this is a clothes shelf. There has to be clothes only, and my clothes only, the ones that I wear only, and that is not there just now in my hand, so I will leave it like that. So then at that point of time, say for my highest good. Or you are having 2-3 things in mind that are coming to you, then you say, um, I listen to my higher self. I'm in touch with my higher self. Sometimes you say you listen, but you're not even in touch with your higher self. You don't know what your higher self really is asking. वो श्रेयस क्या है हमें मालूम ही नहीं है ना? तो when you will say this, you will become aware. In some way or the other, that awareness will come to you about what is it that is best to be done at that time. So this is, if we understand, you will not make those bombastic choices, है ना? Because whatever you want to replace there should have a concrete thing for you, immediate meaning for you, क्योंकि अभी रखना है. You know, VCT is to be done in the present. कि अभी instantly मुझे क्या चाहिए. हाँ, सबके लिए ये चाहिए तो सबके लिए वो एक यूनिवर्सल टैपिंग कर सकते हो तुम जनरली. That is just setting the pace, but that is not really undergoing transformation which is changing and affecting our life now. So immediate तुम्हारे को देखना है, क्योंकि ये कलयुग में सब कुछ स्पीड से होता है, तो वो स्पीड के साथ चलना पड़ेगा. यस, तो हमारे को अभी, क्योंकि ये जो फीलिंग हमने निकाली वो अभी महसूस हो रही थी, उसको निकाली है, तो अभी की जगह पे उसको क्या डालना है. If you can't think of anything that to be put there, so I choose to listen to my higher self, or I choose that which is for my highest good. So that way you are getting in touch with your higher energy, who is going to give you the answer whenever you are ready for. And the more readiness you will have, जितनी भी हम तैयारी होगी रिसेप्शन की, उतना मिलेगा. वो जैसे कहते हैं ना, वो रेडियो वेव्स रहती है हवा में, हम टीवी को ट्यून करते हैं, रेडियो को ट्यून करते हैं, उस हिसाब से उनको मिल जाता है. तो अवर रिसेप्टिविटी इज़ लाइक दैट. तो वो ट्यूनिंग हमारी कितनी अच्छी है, उसके हिसाब से हमारे को वो स्टेशन प्ले करेगा.